Now we're about to take a boat tour around the Winter Park lakes, the canals, learn all about the area. There's some massive houses out there. We'll get some videos of that. We'll give you some B-roll. Old money from the south.
Old Florida money.
We're all about to learn about it. One day that will be Randy and Mary new money. But for today, we're tourists. Let's enjoy. Mary, what are your thoughts so far? This is so cool. Old wealth. These houses are wild. Wild. I love the Mary one. Maybe. Okay, we're back where we started. What do you think of the Winter Park boat tour?
Damn. Literally. The houses
One word?
are amazing. Our guide was super funny. I mean, these houses are like out of the caliber of anything that I could think of.
Old wealth. Big. Everything's 6,000 feet above, 20,000 feet houses. One day, that's the dream. That's why we're going back to school.
Sports
report, go. Let's get it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's keep going on.